Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 176. I've got a surprise niche for you in this episode that we've never done before in 176 episodes. So stay tuned for that. And at the end, I've got one of my favorite Halloween sub-niches that is accessible to everybody. So it's going to be a good episode. Let's get to it. Let's start with my Amazon merch sales update. I made 366 sales in the last 7 days for $1,083 in royalties in the US markets and a few hundred in royalties from the other international markets. If you want to follow me on Instagram, link in the description, you can get my daily sales updates. So the top 10 products right now look like this, what you see behind me, and I will move myself just a little bit so I'm not blocking as much. So these are the current top 10 shirts on Merch by Amazon. After we filter out the protected brands, perhaps it could be a preview of what is to come. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't be. So niche number 1 this week is going to be, in October, we wear pink for breast cancer awareness. All right, these BSRs, even though it is not October yet, are already looking really good. We have a 45,000 BSR, 58, 62, 71, 81, 82, 99. So the average of the top 10 definitely under 100K. That is what I would consider to be an attractive niche for Amazon merch, regardless of your tier, but especially if you are in the lower tiers where you need to be in the biggest best-selling trends, in my opinion. And there's an obvious color scheme trend as well, as you would imagine. Niche number 2 this week, domestic violence awareness. All right, now we managed to make it through 2 niches without talking about Halloween. That's also pretty impressive, right? I'm just trying to get out ahead of the October month-long niches. We know that at the beginning of the month, when it comes to these month-long niches, that is typically where we see the most sales. So again, another obvious color scheme associated with domestic violence awareness. We see the color purple. You could even make I'm just thinking out loud here, you could make a support squad shirt, make it pink for breast cancer awareness, then make a purple version for domestic violence awareness, right? And you can literally make one design, a simple color swap, and then enter both niches. That's what I love doing. You occupy more online real estate, make more sales, right? And all of these orders have automated fulfillment, so we can make money while we sleep. That is the dream. That's why we're here, right? So niche number 3 this week is going to be, and before we get to niche number 3, quick plug, check out my free print-on-demand 20-day mini course delivered via email, link in the description, and my print-on-demand Facebook group, also linked down there in the description. Niche number 3 is something we haven't done before, all right? It is October is new phone month, all right? October is new phone month. I have it on good info that it's new phone month. I don't know where I saw that actually, but hopefully it is new phone month. Either way, check out the BSRs of the phone cases, the top 10. All right, that first phone case, BSR 7,000. Now this is not the exact same as the BSRs of shirts, right? Phones are in a different category and BSR is a relative data point. So a BSR of 7,000 on a phone case probably, I'm just guessing here, does less sales than a BSR of 7,000 on a shirt, okay? Just saying. But check this out. There's a very clear pattern of, well, phone cases with patterns that looks like that checkered tan pattern is doing really well on Amazon merch. Like the BSRs for basically the same design, looks like there's a couple color alterations. 8,000, 7.9, 8,000 again, 8,000 again, 8,000 again, 15.1, 15.2, 14.9. Then you've got some fall patterns as well. Phone cases sell well year round, but didn't they just drop an iPhone? I'm not an Apple guy, I'm an Android guy, but I'm pretty sure they just dropped that iPhone. Like, people are going to be looking for phone cases. I don't know that the new iPhone fits the merch case or not. Let me know in the comments if you know. Either way, people are shopping for phone cases, right? And that's going to be consistent from now until the end of year at a minimum, right? It's like gift giving season. People are going to get new phones, etc. So October being new phone month, you got the phone cases. Look into that, guys. Check out Podly. I will link it in the description. Also, check out pop sockets as well. New phone case, new pop socket. It all goes together well. And these are very low-hanging fruit, very accessible designs because they're often just patterns. Speaking of patterns, if you're not a good designer, guys, you can still make this happen. You can still get sales in these niches. I wanted to show you that Creative Fabrica, right? If you use my link, you can join for $4.99 a month. About as cheap as it gets, right? That's like one sale of a t-shirt at $19.99, basically. They have checkered patterns. They have floral patterns. They've got everything you need to succeed. Whether you want to customize those, I like to typically at a minimum change the color scheme a little bit, but even if you just use them as is, guys, like it's very accessible to get quality products on the market. They're not all going to sell. If you guys didn't know this, as print-on-demand sellers, every listing that you create is not going to be a guaranteed success that generates a sale. Even me, the talking head on a screen, most of my products don't sell, right? But the ones that do, a lot of times the hope is that they will continue to gain reviews and improve their organic rank and become staples in my passive business. That's the goal here. And just letting you know, Creative Fabrica has a ton of resources making this accessible to people of all design ability. I'm famously not a good designer, and it doesn't stop me. All right, moving on. Niche number 4, bullying as a niche, because U.S. National Stop Bullying Day is October 11th, 2023, right? It's the second Wednesday, I believe. I looked it up. Second Wednesday of the month of October every year. This is, 3 weeks away, give or take. And look at the BSRs on the Stop Bullying Awareness shirts. Also, make sure before you enter this niche that you do your trademark research, because I'm pretty sure I remember from years past that some of these may result in rejections. And it's not just trademark research. Anybody who has been subscribed that watches these videos, in the description, I link to a video called Is This Niche Safe? If you are uploading to Amazon merch, they have the strictest content policy. All right, we just talked about this in my private community this week because someone got a rejection. They didn't know why. So we did a live investigation and figured out what words they included, and they weren't trademarked. But again, there's the content policy, and then there's more to it. It's nuanced. So Is This Niche Safe video linked in the description. You should watch it. Niche number 4, bullying. And it's really about Stop Bullying. Stop Bullying Day, October 11th. Niche number 5 this week, and this is, I'm going to do a little teaser here. One of my favorite Halloween sub-niches, all right? And you may have caught my video earlier this past week where I talked about how many sales you can make selling Halloween costume themed shirts. And I gave you an easy way to get really high-end designs done for you using Vexels. I will link to this video in the description in case you missed it, and I'll link to it in the YouTube cards. It's worth watching, guys. But this is even easier than that, and you don't have to join Vexels. This is the pretend I'm a ... pretend I'm a bat, BSR 109,000. Pretend I'm a wolf, BSR 150,000. Pretend I'm a pirate, BSR 172,000. I know, right? You're probably looking at me like, Ryan, really? Can it be this simple? Yes, it can be this simple. Now, if designs like this are this easy to manufacture, this easy to make, yeah, I mean, there's gonna be people, especially now that I put it out here in this video, it's on people's radar now. That being said, look at the BSRs. We're over a month away from Halloween. People are out here with 200,000 and less BSRs. The one behind me, by the way, pretend I'm a lemon with a yellow shirt. I mean, what a genius, right? Just saying, these are fun. They're easy. Literally just write a list out, right? And just make the shirts. It's so simple. Pretend I'm a. This is a Halloween sub niche. No graphic design ability required. No graphics required. Text only. Check it out. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts significantly outperforming their 30-day average BSR. So they're trending up, right? Not down. Here we are. We have Hispanic Heritage Month with a nice BSR. We have a Teach Peace shirt. We have I'm with the butterfly. By the way, more Halloween ideas. I'm with the, and then, it could be parents, it could be couples going out to Halloween parties, etc. October, we wear pink. Little, big, that could be like fraternity, sorority. It could be like cowboys. I don't know. Lots of cheap ass Halloween costume shirt. Simple enough. It's my 9th birthday with the ghosts. So ghost Halloween birthdays, right? Just so many opportunities, guys. Oh, the Halloween alphabet up there. All right, looking ahead, these are shirts that are related to specific dates, or not shirts, but niches. October 24th is United Nations Day. October 25th, International Artist Day. October 26th, National Mincemeat Day. October 27th, Black Cat Day. And October 27th is Navy Day. So maybe you can do something with those. Here is the archive as we wrap up. These are shirts that were selling well 11 months ago, so perhaps maybe they will be selling well 1 month from today. You see what I did there? We go back in time 11 months. That is like us looking forward 1 month from today. We've got a lot of Halloween shirts. Don't sell the crayon shirts. I'm pretty sure they get rejected. And the Philadelphia baseball shirts, I'm pretty sure it's because October is like MLB baseball playoffs. I would stay away from those as well. All right, here are removed designs to wrap up. These could be removed by Amazon or removed by the seller, so take a quick peek at that. Guys, thank you for watching. Let me plug my full print on demand course, which I just updated a lecture last night on a Saturday night because I'm committed to keeping the content fresh and up to date. It is linked in the description. It walks you through how I make 6-figure print on demand sales every year. Not sales, sorry, profit every year since 2019. It is exactly as I run my business. I keep it updated, linked in the description. We're heading into the fourth quarter. There's no better time to invest in it than now. And I don't just teach Etsy. I don't just teach Amazon. I teach all of the above because it is my complementary approach. So you don't need to have any huge outlier successes to be successful. You literally, it's like the most practical approach you'll ever hear. Linked in the description, guys. And my private community, I do multiple calls a week. We just had Alec, you know, Alec, the dude with like 300K YouTube subscribers in the print on demand space. He was just a guest speaker. Also, it's direct access to me. Yeah, linked in the description, guys. Great opportunity there. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.